Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Oh, you're my thing, you know. 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 Yeah. So, oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Yeah. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Oh, you're my thing, you know. Say, I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William Miguel, come here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I can breathe without you, say. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, Lord. I can move without you. Who am I without you? Who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can live without you. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, yeah. I can move without you. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Hey. We are my thing now. Oh, you're my thing now. Oh, you're my thing now. So, oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thing now. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thing now. So, oh, yeah. Oh, you're my thing now. Oh, you're my thing now.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebree. Ne ya redare e wo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWF die, yen solicitors e de anigye e na twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer e wo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF Solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eye abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe nia ya wo brei mu enu nti ne yeto ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no osanso ye member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra wope advice immigration sensem ho wo BWF Solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas family visas ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasan ginatum law society immigration accreditation panel inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pay mu ekosi enumre nunsia 9:30 am kosi 6 pm na memene dan so appointment nko free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 10 am kosi 4 pm ye were 4th floor Ewo Anna House, 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground on Swa, Eye Quantia B. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu, san ye barrister ya Jina Tumu, na oye Ghana Bar Association member, and the was Saint Jina Sembranim for Ewo court cases here, a Ghana law. Wa advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ni solicitors be bree efa Ghanaian law hunye na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so for Ghanaian law.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF Solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP, just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.
Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude?
Pai onyame enhyira wo se wodi wafidie no ato ha from me prophet Stanley Osebre Osei enne eye yawoda some July 14th ena yewomu yi BWF Solicitors ene betwetwen komo enne omode emramu ensem dwumadie no adisuane nyina bebere yem Shannon Sumami na free wunu bi na ka kire ne se ene BWF Solicitors at Nase lawyer Eunice and the between come so Manchester a yedi ebi pla landing so adi bi no yetuatua so agadas. In 1 minute me the lawyer Eunice ebebreu life and color. Then so omra me bo advert in na kire say dwumadie no ba be hihye so an. Na me inshira o me wi am de ndwumu beto awo so na mama o message kakra na afi ma invite you na wo so abadwani ene anwumbre yi ewo asori. Fa wo fidie no to ha menyim free ha. Ha Rainbow Radio International.
Rainbow Radio.
Yedi abrochiri aba Ghana. Yedi Ghana akwa abrochiri abrochiri.
No. Sabepepe eni ye no.
Highly spiritual. Times have changed. Social distancing affected BBR, coronavirus, and in some bow, but the laws are in place. Immigration issues and BBR. New laws, any changes, every day. NMT, Seban Immigration and Imremun Samahudunina. BWF Solicitors and your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors and over 27 years of practical legal experience. NMT, they are on top of all the issues. Brian in confidence. Our offices are still open Monday to Friday. Every anopa 9:30, Ekosi and 6 o'clock. We follow all the protocols. You must client to be a free face mask, hand sanitizer, and our fee. You practice social distancing. The lawyers is a face mask for every consultation. So when to me ma, we do video conferencing and our fee to me send the documents in answer via email and our WhatsApp. There were 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, Russell, 7 Sisters, London N15 4NP. Freyen was 0208 493 7340 and our mobile 077 127 61884. We'll with Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Highly spiritual. Times have changed. Social distancing affected BBR, coronavirus, and in some bow, but the laws are in place. Immigration issues and BBR. New laws, any changes, every day. NMT, Seban Immigration and Imremun Samahudunina. BWF Solicitors and your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors and over 27 years of practical legal experience. NMT, they are on top of all the issues. Brian in confidence. Our offices are still open Monday to Friday. Every anopa 9:30, Ekosi and 6 o'clock. We follow all the protocols. You must client to be a free face mask, hand sanitizer, and our fee. You practice social distancing. The lawyers is a face mask for every consultation. So when to me ma, we do video conferencing and our fee to me send the documents in answer via email and our WhatsApp. There were 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, Russell, 7 Sisters, London N15 4NP. Freyen was 0208 493 7340 and our mobile 077 127 61884. We'll with Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Shira free adona safobade ho enka nyina anopa yi hye no nso se your number ye di adwuma no 0208-133-4646 and that's 0208-133-1134 and your WhatsApp line also 0777-195-0989 and anopay ye di adwuma mame enkochia lawyer Eunice na fi memfa dwumadie no enhyehyɛ so ema ende anopay lawyer Eunice me pa cho me ma ache ema wo akwaba eba edwumadie so
Major so prophet na passion what to say
onyame adom na won pai bo ye ho ye onyame ahira ye
ye da yame aseri na bo kete
enye easy kura
ye na ye so ye pe edua bi na ye kwhye asena ye cool down Mami cha ye tie for ne your viewers and confirm mo share our Facebook Live, YouTube, and I say mood saying our tuning up no so and I say yeah kind of FM radio into FM radio Rainbow Radio International na yeah da yamia say and the day mabeka yensa into yeah da munina as say Mother joining for the program. Senya every Thursday, no. Updates no, bema updates no first of all, and sana twice to your main topics. Na fa amount for questions and then other topics on what person on what day So in terms of your updates, in Kofo Eda so bisa about sa case akisenya into Zambrano case na eba in January yenim say Court of Appeal no na ye train almost decision in regards to sa akisenya case because na yenim say ye Zambrano carers and I say primary carers of Nkofo Omahwe a British child over a 5-year period no were not able to make applications under your new Appendix EU. In the enono sano, Miss Akisenya, na first or Zambrano 5 years nibi. Na onim say because of Zambrano no sono into on to me NJ benefits. And unto no ne 5 years nibi no and or so on year 2.5 no so senya over to me enya no recourse to public funds. And 2019 government can say almost a settlement and I say indefinite for Omuda Zambrano no so. Now it was not previously under immigration EEA regulation 2016. And see that was good news for all Zambrano carers because now there was no way to me any settlement under your EEA regulations. And see they saw it as good news. Miss Akesenya and so who said, and they over to me, I be visa. But there was a clause under your Appendix E which says that said Nipakono will leave to remain under your immigration rules there, and they on to me and sign your application under your Appendix EU. Into or the court and my upper tribunal no man no crime. But na home office for no empene so nti omo epushi ya maneko Court of Appeal and a Court of Appeal no so ehwemu omo hwemu no omo hu say under your EEA regulations no obi a oye primary carer obi a ye nka ne say obetumi aye nipa kono ne maame ne papa obi a oye ne relative obi a ye ka ne say court no ama hu kwan say onhwa akola no nti saa nipa no na sa akola no primary carer nti say oye primary carer there and there so otre say akola na o ka say oye British no saa akola no oye under 18 ono ne te krom ha and say you refuse saa primary carer ne application there and it means say akola no so will have to leave the UK with sa primary carer because obi biara ni ho a obetumi ahwa akola no nti omo ka say omo hwe immigration EEA regulations na there was no restriction as to say nipa no or leave to remain and as only leave to remain immigration rules no ase nti say akoba ne say nipa na oye application under your Appendix EU no. Previously, now I was Zambrano, and I said on your application be that, but or your primary carer of a British citizen now over to me actually say yes ye akolane efri ekrom ha and the say or no mommy and I said papa na or akolano so ye because of the fact say obi biara ni ho a over to me ahwe akolano. Nti enunti no omo can say under EEA regulations no there was no requirement and as a clause which prevented saa nkurɔfoɔ no from making their application. Nti sɛ ɛba ne sɛ saa nkurɔfoɔ wei pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ application ne deɛ ɛndɛ ɛsɛ ɔmo ma ɔmo ho kwan. But sɛ nipa no nso betumi akyerɛ sɛ obetumi ayɛ application under yɛ immigration rules na nti obi a ɔyɛ so parent of a child anaasɛ ɔwɔ direct access anaasɛ ɔwɔ the person normally lives with akwadaa no so obetumi akyerɛ saa nneɛma wei na immigration rules no ma saa nipa no kwan deɛ ɛndɛ sɛ saa nipa no all continue sɛ ɔbɛda saa route no so. Nti ɛno no saa no Home Office nso ɛde ɔmo guidance ɛba last month in regards to Akisenya case no. And ɔmo kaa sɛ ɔmo etie deɛ Court of Appeal no so aka in regards to Akisenya case no, but ɔmo ehun sɛ sɛ ɔmo yi saa clause no efiri hɔ a ɛndɛ nkurɔfoɔ dodoɔ na ɔmo bɛyɛ applications no ɛbɛdɔɔso because ɔmo ama saa consent order no sɛ ɔmo gye tum sɛ nkurɔfoɔ ɔmo wɔ saa immigration rules no so no ɔmo betumi aswitch aba Zambrano route no deɛ and ɔmo bɛma ɔmo 6 weeks from the time a ɔmo decision ne baayɛ but yɛn na yɛnim sɛ guidance no ɔmo de ba last month nti ɔmo ama up to the 25th of July which is this month sɛnya nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo ɛbɛtumi ayɛ saa applications no by the 25th of July 2022. Nti no na ɔmo ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo de ɔmo ntumi ɛnyi saa clause no ɛmfiri hɔ sɛ so who leave to remain na we eligible under a Appendix EU dear and the ubetumi aye application no. Nti it is only for saa nkurɔfoɔ na ebia ɔmo Zambrano no so. But I no ɛnyɛ mbra ɛyɛ ɔmo guidance. Nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ application na it has to be based on the fact say wo a woyɛ primary carer no woka sɛ woyɛ main primary carer of saa akwadaa no either say mo mienu awofoɔ mienu no papa ne maame no mo yɛ application no as primary carers of British child nti British child no say ɔyɛ under 18 na mo na mo hwɛ no say you refuse mo application ne dia it will mean say akwadaa no so will be forced to leave the UK because obi very new a obetumi ahwɛ akwadaa no. The exempted persons and nkurɔfoɔ a ebia yɛn ka ne sɛ ɔmo wɔ indefinite leave to remain anaasɛ ɔmo yɛ British anaasɛ ɔyɛ ɔmo humanitarian protection ɔmo no they don't consider them to be primary carers of a British child. Nti ɛno no saa no sɛ wobɛtumi akyerɛ sɛ mo a mo ne nkrataa mo wɔ British child ebia akwadaa ne de 10 ansa na ɔnya ne British citizenship na wo nso saa no wo kyerɛ sɛ you refuse wo application na ɛkyerɛ sɛ na ɛsɛ wo so wo free ekrom ha nti sɛ kɔba ne sɛ ɛsɛ wo free krom ha it means akwadaa no nso ebe free ekrom ha nti ɛno no saa no na wo ka kyerɛ mo sɛ because of wo current circumstances nti mo yɛ application no under your Appendix EU because what saa British child no for the past 5 years and if the child let's say obey British 2015 na o kyerɛ sɛ wahwɛ no for more than 5 years na o de enyama kyerɛ sɛ from 2015 no when I wahwɛ akwadaa wei saa abesi ende nti o pɛ sɛ o kyerɛ mo sɛ o yɛ eligible under the Appendix EU to make this application for settlement and I say indefinite leave to remain because wo and I wash akolawe and I say mo awofoɔ no and I wash akolawe abesi sembri into more stress and wash akolawe abesi and aso yɛ under 18 and I also muji this time we are eligible so move to me ISA application way into no sa no na o kyerɛ mo say wash akolawe no for that continuous period of 5 years and akwadaa no so say you refuse the application and I say you refuse more application na akwadaa no so say ono so free krom ha some more other children are more British. Would they almost so ever application home as dependents because almost so sano na omuda momoso answer na yede derivative rights no ma wana says zambrano no ede mamo into akola no so ebe to me aye application no to show say oye mo dependents into yede mamwa na omode ama nkola no so aka ho into that is in regards to Akisenya case na Home Office one of the guidance never last month. Say yeah normal immigration rules no so yeah we who say in terms of Nationality and Borders Act no almost so the changes bank a. And I think one of the main ones was to do with nationality laws, since there have been a lot of changes in regards to nationality and coordinating most of the Inyamana were under British Nationality Act 1981, under Nationality and Borders Act of 2002. In Sano, they are trying as much as possible to coordinate most applications for nationality for Nkola, and the fact that so we're also outside of the UK. These are the requirements that for Omo. And most of it has to do with the requirements that are needed in order to make those registration applications and answer those British nationality applications, including fee waiver applications that almost say the man Kolana under the age of 18. And then we have fee waiver applications for Nkofo, almost say applications for other for to say yere and answer kunu and answer ba and answer adult dependent relatives are outside the UK and also sano into human rights applications that Nkofo from outside the UK per se adult for no ever join no UK Chrome hano. And also, Sano, there's a fee waiver guidance in terms of SAR applications. No, in terms of Sano, so now, so person who yes application no without paying Home Office fee. No, now with me, yes SAR fee waiver no answer na why application no so. And then last but not least, I think say in terms of your delays, no, I know saying probably because it is one of the things that they feel say it has to be dealt with. Of course, with me, it's your priority service there. Not with your priority service and you're to me in your employer as soon as possible. I know say a bit more so with here for priority service still now almost for decision and buy with a no sign at least over to me in your refund of Pusika because it's here for priority service. And almost within 24 hours. So, in terms of at least when him said over to me in your £800 now, back because they didn't make a decision within that 24 hours. Say only Sasikana or the best priority. They are usually we would have expected say your application within the UK, then it would be a general 6-month period, but Abane say almost share Ukraine applications as a priority because it's a humanitarian, should I say, crisis in Ukraine. As a signatory to the UN Convention for Refugees, no, then it means that now UK for no, say prioritize Ukraine for normal person by UK Chrome. They said that because of some applications they are not able to make decisions as quickly as possible. Affect both in-country applications and applications for Nkofo person or join or family or UK Chrome. And no na guidance na actually says application say either under the EU and now say under your Appendix FM and now campus say as a student or a skilled worker no say it would take a bit longer than usual. So UK Chrome House so now why your application also and also a check because of the fact say almost prioritize it applications way. But say what application it did more than 6 months. Now open say we complaint patch up over to me I complaint. So open say we pre-action protocol letter because if you are lawyer and I application I'm out there and also say also over to me I pre-action protocol letter I'm out. I know said there will be responses to say they are prioritizing Ukrainian applications and say and no ever check. But if after 2 months from their response still now then I think say it's best to send another complaint and I say pre-action protocol again. Send it over to me and who say decision also in here. At least say na first ukita 2.5 na also another 2.5 at least or should I say the room to say because section 3C applies to Unity. We leave now first one because someone make a decision in see oh that's so I will leave. Someone make a decision there now when him say we leave no that's so from the new biometric card now omode amount. But say on sanka any decision there then at least by law no we do for no some out we do so because of the fact that we decision no by in see we leave now one that's so until a decision is made. So employers no so chase so then they have every right to make check-in service eligibility and as an employer check-in service check no say on to me I share say employee no ebe to me aye ejuma and answer on to me enye ejuma ewo ha and also ebwa in terms of nkofo previously nam what 2.5 and answer nam what leave no say on to me atwa on ejuma no so say where your first 2.5 dia and the of course over to me other so are complaining because over here dia there say over to me aye nti no no sa no na o ma omo ehun say and also ehia you name say Ukraine for no so ho but also application no because it did more than 6 months nti o person omo ma time frame and I say time I over to me I make a decision on also what application now or they send them nti and also ho Prophet, my major updates no hana yen so with the main topic. Prophet
so anopai yadawasi mamema obeye sima baako na de ma hu se wapeja wo nsuo no ade ne wamfa nsuo amana
bacha wa ha
nsuo no ho
bacha
ene odi peja nsuo no ma me ma wa amani peja nsuo no lo ya peja nsuo no
Highly spiritual.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF Solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP, just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.
4. Ubehuyen with Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Yo, lawyer Eunice, Yamao Aquaba Bium Eba Yejumadi, so Sunny Wadikan Abubo, and 7 Swat, and at the end, I ye tregu, at the end, ye training. Ya told your mom, Yamin
Yo, it's a proper senior over who know. Your main topic no ever conform with EU nationals are almost somewhat day or more area and as a mukno ever join or more ever chrome her if they got married after 31st December 2020 date. Into for instance, Obi Akasope say aware no afe na okoye nti waye efie aware let's say this coming August waye wakoye efie aware no say opese ode ne yere anase no kunu eba UK krom ha oni sanipa no awo for some time and sana omo beye aware no nti EU national na say nipa na oye sponsor na oti krom ha no because of the fact that your immigration rules no exercise in regards to EU nationals and I say EEC nationals are almost krom ha nti say ye ka EU national ye ka obi a obetna UK krom ha before specified dates. Into specified dates no 31st of December 2020 11 p.m. Into no na EU national na say no wabetna UK krom ha dada na ote krom ha oye adwuma na bibi biara obeye bia ewo krom ha nsa na okoware na area na se no kunu ewo fie nti ebia ono so waye EU settlement scheme ni bi ebia wetumi a kire say because oye EU national ote krom ha nti wetumi akoye ne pre-settled and I say ne settled status. As we all know, say we are EU national for most of the EU countries, no, at the time, let's say 26 EU nations. Now, it's now another member state to say UK. Now, say what say we are obia what's na krom ha why juma into open say OJ residence card and also OJ permanent residence because of the amount of time odi atna ekrom ha into under here appendix EU no say we EU national dia say utumi kire say we have ye obi a watna UK krom ha either under 5 years and answer watna ha for a continuous period of 5 years opesa oje wo settled and answer opesa oje wo pre-settled, which is your leave to remain. In the no sano, where we are EU national no, or because of the fact say, wabet na a krom ha for that period of time, Ninti, upese oje in krata etre say, also wabenya asitna ewo krom ha. Bearing in mind, say, yeah, EU regulations and I say immigration EEA regulations no longer applies. Into as of 31st June last year, na sa embrano enye ejuma ewo krom ha biom. Inti se ukita old residence card nibi na unye sa EU settlement scheme na omo eka se uni asetna ewo krom ha because sa embrano enye ejuma ewo krom ha. Inti na omo eka kire EU nationals ene omo ebusianfo se se opa se oje asetna ewo krom ha dia ende se ohu se we EU national dia se utumi eje ye pre-settled status and I say ye settled status senya obetumi enya asetna ewo krom ha biom nti emfa ho se wo 5 years residence card emfa ho se wo permanent residence card ye pese wo enya asetna under your appendix EU answer na yes to me ehu say we obi a we are legal ever from her. And say in that same line, no, say obi a EU national now I bet na from her now ope say government national as obi a obetumi aye adwuma obi a obetumi aha dan obi a obetumi ekita accounts ene nkeka ho no na wetumi etu kwan no na wasign nechi aba back to UK no na wetumi a kire say wayesa EU settlement scheme. But in regards to Irish nationals, say you can't Ireland, you can't Republic of Ireland, and yet Northern Ireland, into Republic of Ireland. Republic of Ireland, so under the EU. Into most of the time, no, because of the fact say, neighbors to us, direct neighbors to the UK, there is that common area agreement. Into that common area agreement, say UK for any Ireland for no, omo ajiatun say, omo for say, omo ba omo honoma, and I say, I mean, yen pese yakohonom, any omo pese omo ba yehanoma. There is that liberty for us to both go there and I say almost so omo pese omo ba hanoma, omo betumi so abahanom without any legal restrictions. So we are Irish near, even though you are seen to be an EU national, because of that common area agreement, they do not enforce EU Appendix EU pre-settled and I say settled status applications on Irish for no, because of the common area agreement. Into omono sano say we are Irish ni na obetina UK chrome ha, whether for less than 5 years and I say a continuous period of 5 years now. Omuhune say because of that agreement now omu wanting to here say obey sa Appendix EU pre-settled and I say settled status maybe. But ebimu just to clear any doubts in omu employers omu team they would still do the pre-settled and I say settled status applications just so that the employers no say here BBHS to me then they have some form of evidence to show employers. But because of the agreements they do not necessarily have to make any applications under your EU settlement scheme. But yenshe obia watna chrome ha for a period of let's say 4 years and I said 3 years. Ebia okita Irish passports into a person ordinary and I said nukunu ebe canon sa ewo UK chrome ha. Sesani pano for one reason or the other was or say why yes our EU settlement scheme maybe na omode ne pre-settled status no abreno na opesa or yes application emma ne yere and asa nukunu senya omo betumi adjoin no dia and there yenhwe dia your immigration rules no so eka efa ho intimidi kan ka say nipa no wakoware ne yere and asa nukunu let's say this coming August na opesa or the neba then they will have to show say no EU national no or chrome ha when ya either limited leave to remain and I say or settled status or UK chrome ha inti or no or settled status and I say or limited leave to remain no because or EU ninti or pesa or kofa ne yere ba because ne yere no ebe ne yere after that 31st December 2020 deadline. And so no sano because afena wabeye ne yere ninti there are requirements under your immigration rules just like nkofo omoye British and answer nkofo omo kra indefinite leave to remain na omo pesa omo kofa omo yere and answer omo kunu eba. The same requirements apply to EU for omo kra limited leave to remain. anaasɛ ɔmo kora indefinite leave to remain a ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔfa ɔmo yere anaasɛ ɔmo kunu ɛbɛjoin ɔmo wɔ kurom ha nti no saa no na ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ebia ɔmo yere anaasɛ ekunu na ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔfa no ba no ɔmo mmienu ɔmo wɔ saa genuine and subsisting relationship sɛ ɔmo aware da krampo na aware no a na ɔmo wɔ mu no egu nti ɔmo wɔ evidence of ɔmo divorce a ɔmo betumi akyerɛ ɔmo relationship no is not within that prohibited degree nti ɔmo say prohibited degree of relationship a ɔmo pa kyerɛ sɛ you are not committing incest nti you are not marrying your sister and say you are not marrying a close relative a ɔmo dream say is improper to do so because there are laws against marrying close relatives. Inti sɛ wobɛtumi akyerɛ sɛ wo ne wo yere no moahyia because it's a requirement sɛ ɛsɛ wohyia wo yere no ansa na moaware then it means sɛ of course ɛsɛ motumi kyerɛ date na mohyiaeɛ ɛna time na mo so mowareeɛ nti wo ekunu na wote kurom ha anaasɛ wo yere na wote kurom ha wokra saa leave to remain under your EU settlement scheme no na wo kyerɛ sɛ because of the fact say wo saa limited leave to remain no wo kunu anaasɛ wo yere na wo kɔfa na aba no one no awɔ hɔ for this period of time into evidence like wo travel tickets a wo de kɔ Ghana sɛ wo ma ne ne sika saa receipts no sɛ wo mo kasa wɔ WhatsApp so a wo messaging communication sɛ mo frɛ each other either by phone direct and answer WhatsApp so evidence of mo phone calls and evidence mo kasa to show say ampa na mo relationship no genuine and answer ho sa and of course say almost person who say subsisting na almost person who say twaso and say they want to see say there's continuous communication and answer oko Ghana ekohwe sa nipa no aba na at least omunif say ebia woba one no woba and answer the muni background na the relationship is continuing because evidence na wo dey aba no ekire say mo ho into dey bia mo kasa and answer say enye dey bia na mo kasa krampo mo message mo ho into no na omo pese omo ho and then in terms of the fact say ebia omo ehwe the financial requirement into relationship requirements no yeah no omo person omo hwe say obetumi emiti sa financial requirements senya oba umbeye burden ewo amai no so into umbeje benefits bia enhwe wo yere anasa wo kunu na opese wo de ne ba eno sa no na o hwe say obetumi emiti sa 18,600 gross salary per annum into wa uye national na ukita limited leave to remain and I say indefinite no na o chere say ubetumi a chere say wo income na wo no at least 18,600 every year say ekobani say o ye exempt person into abia oje sa disability living allowance and I say oje sa personal independence payment and I say ebim so eje sa police injury payments ebim so wo ha ebia omoje sa armed forces independence payments and attendance allowance for nkofo omosho omo and carers allowance for nkofo omosho omo so who coming under that category of people there and who here say obemiti sa 18,600 na America no because those benefits are specifically to those that omuntumi ensa enye edwuma titiri bia omubetumi enya sa 18,600 into sankofo no are usually exempt from meeting that financial requirement but still na so to me say nipa no oba no ombeye burden ewo aman no so into ebia oba ono so be start say o ye edwuma and also no so oba obenya few hours here and there wobɛtumi they are supporting ne ho sɛnya ɔmbɛyɛ how ɛwɔ aman no so. And then you also have to show say obetumi enya accommodation nti say wo a woyɛ EEC ne anase EU national wote krom ha so wo tenancy agreement na wo kyerɛ sɛ wo tenancy agreement ɛwɔ krom ha wo de hwɛ ho because wote afie a ebi a wotua rent say anase wo nkwa wo dan nti ebi a wotua wo mortgage ewie nti dan na wotim no ebi a 2-bedroom house obetumi ahwɛ ho ahwɛ ɔno nso sɛnya ɔno nso ɛmbɛyɛ burden ɛwɔ aman no so nti saa nyɛma wei nyinaa no wobɛkyerɛ akyerɛ mo sɛ sei na with financial circumstances ɛteɛ sɛ woyɛ adwuma nso so a sɛ wokyerɛ sɛ wo 6 months pay slips ɛne wo 6 months bank statement ɛne w'adwuma mu letter no ɛkyerɛ sɛ woyɛ obi a wobɛtumi enya saa 18,600 anaasɛ wo sika na wonya no ɛboro saa 18,600 a year na ɔmɔhwehwɛ so woyɛ self-employed nso so a ɛhyɛ wokyerɛ sɛ within the last financial year nti UK Chrome ha financial year no ɛyɛ from the 5th of April from the 6th of April to the 5th of April every year nti sɛ yɛka sɛ yɛhwɛ yɛ financial year will be from 6th April 2021 to the 5th of April 2022 nti ɛno no saa no na wokyerɛ sɛ w'adwuma na woyɛ no wayɛ ho self-assessment wetua wo HMRC tax wayɛ deɛ sɛ woyɛ in terms of meeting your legal requirements when you have to pay tax and the rest of it nti ɛno nso saa no ɛho documents no wode bɛkyerɛ sɛnya ɔmo bɛtumi ehu sɛ wo edi mbra no so sɛ yɛba English language requirements na yɛhwɛ sɛ saa nipa na ɔreba no ɔbɛtumi akyerɛ sɛ ebi a ɔwɔ university degree ebi a nso so ɔwɔ master's degree anaasɛ PhD krampo nti saa nipa no because of the degree na ɔwɔ no sɛ ɔde ma actis ɛyɛ body anaasɛ institution a UK for na first year from monarch ɔmo ama ɔmo new name actis nti ɔmo ɛna ɔmo bɛ assess sɛ wo degree no anaasɛ wo transcript na wowɔ no ampa sɛ ɛyɛ borɔfo mu ɛna yɛkyerɛ wo adeɛ ɛna wo level na yɛsɛ yɛkyerɛ wo saa subject na wo sɛ wayɛ no emiti yɛ common European framework level no nti ɔmo na ɔmo bɛ assess sɛ ampa wo transcript no meet requirements na yɛhia ɛno nso saa no wobɛtua ɛho fees ansa na ɔmo etumi assess sɛ wo degree anaasɛ wo transcript na wowɔ no meet ɔmo required common European framework level sɛ nimpa no any degree either undergraduate degree anaasɛ masters ana PhD a na ɛsɛ ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo ayɛ saa English speaking and listening exams ne bi ɛno no saa no ɔmo bɛyɛ no wɔ British Council nti ɔmo yɛ saa exams na ɛsɛ ɔmo yɛ no at a level A1 nti ɔmo frɛ no IELTS which is saa exams na ɔmo kɔ na ɔmo akɔkasa bi nso ɛyɛ no over the computer so nti sometimes it's multiple choice a ɔmo tumi select ho nti saa IELTS na meka ho asɛm no at least no ɛsɛ ɔmo tumi yɛ at a level A1 na ɔmo etumi akyerɛ sɛ ɔmo etumi meet saa English language requirements no when it comes to tuberculosis no na ɛsɛ at least because ɔmo ɛwɔ ekrom a ɔmo say yɛyɛ at risk of tuberculosis nti ɛno so ɛsɛ yɛtumi kyerɛ sɛ tuberculosis bia ɛnni nipa na ɔreba no emu nti ɛno saa no na ɔkyerɛ sɛ wakoye sa tuberculosis test no ewo ye migration health center ewo Accra airport residential area nti no sa no okoye sa test no is valid for 6 months nti wo the application no tuma na wo bon pa say sa decision no and say application no home boy no ebeba within the 6 months because what usually happens is say omo de inkrata nema nipa na omo hwe say tuberculosis test no so that so valid ana nti say enye valid dia ende na so wo san koye we ni biom answer na way to kwan which is also not helpful but that is one of the situations people come across say omo eba nti it's good to also make sure say tuberculosis certificate now no is still valid. Nti when it comes to ABA, the fact say nipa kono ewo ba nti let's say nipa na oba no owo ba ewo Ghana and say owo mba ewo Ghana opese ode omo ebeka application no ho nti enye ne yere nkwa na eba nti one akola and say ode one nkola eka application no ho say nkola ka ho dia omo behwe say maame no omo be man nkrata ansa na omo ama nkola no leave to remain as child of a person who has lived to remain nti say omo mienu eye application and say nkola no ene omo maame na eye application e dia and the financial requirements na make say 18,600 no na ebi abeka ho because mo wo nkola and say mo wo eba ka application no nti first child no and on top of the 18,600 no na almost say ube here an additional 3,800 abeka 18,600 no ho nti na omo hwe say wo income and answer wo salary na wo ya no at least 22,400 a year nti so betumi actually say wo income no for the year is at least 22,400 because when I would say UK Chrome ha nti ebia wo sika na wo ya no ebedo so kakra and answer nkola mienu then it means additional child no there will need to be an additional 2,400 nti say nkola 3 na almost 2,400 no so atwa so mienu because every additional child is 2,400 nti no sa no na almost hwe say wo income no ebedru at least 24,800 or more depending on nkola na omo be join wo ene mame no because almost say nkola ebetumi aye mame nemba ebetumi nso aye wo wo ye EU ne wo so womba because it clearly says that a child means under your Appendix FM a child of the dependents of the applicants nipa na oba no and I say a dependence of the sponsor nipa kona or UK Chrome ha into regardless of whether ayo nipa na oba neba and I say wo are we EU ni no eba no they will still see that child as having to meet requirements no under your immigration rules because ne mame and I say wo are we papa no wa ware ne mame nti also o pese o de akola no ebe join wo yere oba Chrome ha nti no sa no na say ono so meet sa financial requirements ansa na omo de asset na no so ama no say o ye EU ni na wetumi akire say ebia akola no na oye wo ba ansa na wo be ware mame no nti na akola no ebia yawo no or another mother of obifufo na wone no wo ho nti ebia na yawo no 2 years or 5 years ago nti before 31st December 2020 ebeba no na sa akola no ewo ho deda say oh yeah EU ni now person wo de sa akola ne ba and the advice will be say obey application no under your appendix EU separately for akola no senya requirements we are maybe boss no affect say akola no but say akola wo ne maame no awo ana say maame ne kwan eba no na wabeto immigration rules na say senya financial requirements no so ebeka no na the fact say akola no so ne maame eba under leave to remain usually omoma 2 years and 9 months na omo say akola no so eba omo be man the same leave as ne maame na oba no nti you have to pay home office fees na wasan so etia IHS fee ama maame na oba no ene akola no so nti no so ewo ho sa nti when it comes to making an application for year and asa wukunu a waware no after that 31st of December deadline na these are the requirements that you have to look at because no sa no meaning say enye free to say appendix EU there no sika a almost say EU nipa no onya any sika na obetua ama application for home office application any IHS no so ewo ho and I know say for nipa ba ko bia is more than 35 inti na sika no ekosro inti and also sa no so ewo ho inti say oh person oh yes application so yeah na wetumi apply ahead senya wetumi so ede sika no abwa na wetumi so aye applications either for year and say ukun and say year ene nemba na eka no ho nti prophet mamenja wo hana yemvie phone lines no e man confirm person omo bisa omo nsem
lawyer yeda wase anopai de usande bi abeka ho amayen enti yaje yesom ewo Rainbow Radio akasafidi kesi so atiefo sania ne edika na meka no wonim numbers a yede ye yadwuma no deda enenti enne anopai for wani ekire fa wo phone no ekire line no so na bra bebisa mama lawyer ensem ba kumienu bi okeka ya na ekire say enka unya ho asem a ubebusa ama no asani enti anopai bra 0308 133 4646 yemfa 20-30 minutes bi and answer phone calls no na afi yeja okwan na yekokrakrakra obaso a mede obema lawyer Eunice na intentem watimi ayi winsem ano amawo 0208 133 4646 and answer 0208 133 1134 eha eye Rainbow Radio International eha ena obi atie eha ena obi a enya na fa hodie lawyer mame mbisa na akinsanya ayi na ohwa ade omde be maye no
of course it's a over to me actually so oh yeah main primary carer I didn't know more from now it depends on the fact say ebia wo awofo no ebia yen kan say wo waware obi a oni nkrata wo so oni nkrata ne bi na wo akola oye British say ye kan say akola na ye British a ebe then na akola no be ye British is it because ebia we di 10 and na wo be ye British and I say because akola no ne papa ankasa ye British into na akola no abe British say akola na ne papa ankasa British na ubetumi akire say ebia papa no oyare court amaho nkata say akola no say wo na wo hwe no because of papa entumi enhwe no dia and then you can say based on the fact say we akola no main primary carer no say you refuse so wo application na and the akire say akola no so ontumi entna ekrom ha but you have to be able to show say when we akola ne main primary carer and I say mo ya wo for mienu and na mo wo mumba ɛna baako di 10 mwetumi aye registration ama na abaye British ɛna mo pese mo gina saa akola no so ɛde aye saa application because akola no mwahwe no since obaye British no mwahwe no saa ebesi ende nti mo betumi akire say mwahwe no for a continuous period of 5 years say eno nti na mo pese mo hwe saa akola no dia then you should be able to show say ebia from 2017 no me ba no be British no we receipts say matoto nyema ama no ebia wa school trips ebia GP so ebetumi confirm say me na me dey ba school for no betumi confirm say me na me ba parents evening ene nkeka ho no nti eno no sa no na o kire say because of sa fact say wahwe akola no for a 5-year period since obey British nti mo pese mo ye sa application mo pese mo ye sa application no for Zambrano nti eno sa no na o kire say mo ye akola no main primary carers and na say obi a okra court order kire say ono na say ohwe akola no nti obi biara ni ho a obetumi ahwe akola no nti ono so yes application because akola no akola under 18 na opese ono so benefited from most of the things most in kola we are British almost benefited from into free education, free healthcare system, after school clubs and school trips and the rest of it. It's also sano a person or benefited from all these things. Into say would they say fifth chrome her because unqualified there and the akola so on your via because quarter than nature say one corner as osha akole because we be hearing who are over to me ashano and say and also ever affect akola no nti omunhwe na omunfa sa asetna no emma but oye obi a yen can say umiti requirements under your immigration rules into let's say because akola na kasa ne mami anasa ne papa British wo your application as sole parent of akola no because ebia ne papa enhwe no but ne papa etu krom ha and I say oye obi a ukoshe akola no into wo direct access because ne mami anasa ne papa otu ne nchen no omo ye British into was that direct access. And I say, obi a yen can say normally no, we are step parents into we are step parents to sa British akola na akola ne mami and I say ne papa ankasa no so ewo ho either say omo kra sa live to remain and I say omo kra indefinite and I say omo kra British citizenship no. Who are we step parents no? The right to make an application, it will be under your immigration rules because your immigration rules under Appendix FM. And my whole client say, oh yes, sole parents, and I say, oh yeah, parents with direct access, and I say, oh yeah, step parents are over to me. I application under your 2.5 leave because, of course, to me and say akola no you refuse wo application na ebe forces akola no so free chrome ha because akola no so ewo another awofo a owo chrome ha obetumi enena atna but for Zambrano carers there omo na omo ye main primary carers into say you refuse omo application there na kire say sa akola no so he will be forced and I said she will be forced to leave the UK because of the fact say only obi biara apart from na wofo and I said nimpa na oye main primary carer or sheno into say obetumi atrust say we your main primary carer there then of course some of them out so man from our crampo who right of appeal into obetumi edomo akokot because akisenya case nature say some of them out
yo lawyer my yenkofa kola yi emra na fi yentu aso free ho me pa cho me ma wachi ema wakwa ba menua me pa cho me ma wachi ema wakwa ba o Me ba cho me ma wachi e ma wakwa ba. Hello. Yo, me fa ni pa from raso ni we. Me ba cho me ma wachi e ma wakwa ba. Me ba cho me ma wachi e ma wakwa ba o. Okay, me pacha ubetumi aba 07771 950 989. Me pacha me mawachi emo wakwa aba. Hello, me pacha me mawachi mo wakwa aba o. Yo, lawyer, mami 1 minute. Mami 1 minute. Lawyer, mami 1 minute. Me share me lines na kakra na yensa mbra.
Times have changed. Social.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF Solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP. Just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.
Twitter, BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Yo, me pa cho anopai ubetimi aba line so won ameka so mama 1 minute ni nyina wa nya botran konzongo enti wa nya aduane pa antwandi saa netie me pa cho anopai line no aye 0208 say edepa me pa cho me mawachi emo akwa aba
Ani
me pa cho aye mete wonka.
hello.
Hello, me pa cho mete wonka.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, me pa cho mete wonka. Asim beba dabi anopai me wani mrise ofa line na ube jani a uye bia na wodi wadwene abaha sani ebe ya yetimi edi nkomo no ama aye ama isro. Hello, me pacho me mawachi ema wakwa aba
Me pacho me joso
emo ohiniba anopai lawyer 8 you.
Me pacho fe na dijansi.
Your browser
Dijansi.
Adu Jamfi.
That's one.
Yo, other for my uncle lawyer 8 you.
Me pacho me issue European passport. Na me pacho me ye divorce for marriage so say me ti aye no. Ambe to na kasa.
Into opeso jano into obisa say obetumi aye our retire no here na.
Me pacho ani.
Okay, in terms of our retire now, of course, say what's a chrome ha na ukru no worry no so et chrome ha dia and the mummy no let's say mutina a chrome ha nti mo betumi aye awareja ye no e wo chrome ha. There is now an online system for divorce in Sano from start to finish. You know, almost say it takes about 6 months for the divorce proceedings to go through. From start to finish, you're looking about 6 months for divorce. Bimso waha ebia nipano epese eye no wofie because omo ye Ghana for omo ye aware no wofie. In some person we are warija no wofie. So person ya warija no so wofie dia, then you will have to show say you went through the normal court proceedings and yet to say we'll call KMA and as a we'll call AMA. Akoye any customary divorce and I say dissolution of marriage. All go through the high courts, akoya warijaye, the notice ever send they will chrono. Now, of course, JNCR, open divorce society panel. It's you have to do a proper court process divorce. And sana a chrome half one also adjust. And see, it depends on you. So, person we no hana, so person we no fee.
Na lawyer mpacho me that me ya be mama na me pacho me met me nya you go contact na ka ta mum bet me aboa me aya ma me ama na ya ntema so
pacho you into your main office line 0208 493
lawyer me pacho tree break I feel no coffee pen ni paper
pen me pacho lawyer me pacho yanko
okay into 0208 Pachai 493 73 40 into prayer main office Pacho say
0208
493 73
yeah
40
okay
into prayer main office line na omo be book appointments na ma
if I show mati ane moni nya menya djuma we are mefre why
me da se be pray
yati lawyer we are friend ntentem na yenhwe ba bia de obehye why ntentem o frɛ ya na ekire se ye book appointment am me pa cho me ma wachi emo akwa aba
Major also prophet.
Or therefore, what are my man and lawyer it you?
With a medical damasi, when a lawyer Eunice Jumapa, Moya de Bois community, or my Ghana, and my Ufraka. Me part more question, baby, me, no, me person, lawyer Eunice said, was me man and Cono. My name is Yere Yawali bed 10 years in Fiedu and the big club last year, I said divorce as na certificate ni ba say ba April ni mu na enam say divorce ba yesha say last year ni ntino na mashia abaya bi su Ghana me ko Ghana be 10 years na me bo me wole dia mane no so ni abaya bi a na me ko 10 years time no me ko hunu no o satam wo yon kakra dia timini me wole di kakra me say Ghana no ho ju say na me cha say last year, I'm saying me being common. Now me scanning normal this year. And that certificate in the bank. Me imagine next month. Me person me call Ghana na me call me buku awali pesi awali bibiana me rest say me ko ewie na me ba me timi de na ba na 10 years ni de me hu na de na me send me ne kasa chat ye bibia na me me busa Eunice se ko da ho e betima ye adwuma sa.
Of course, in the whole time with this year, no, almost person, almost who say, "San in power, year into so your year dear, we shall know that into relationship now, one no one no, shall say time way and son more worry into more relationship no, that's so so, and no more air share and see, so we say we are what it was, we say April of this year.
Patrani.
And see, you need to say, it's obviously not right, so we'll have an affair outside of your marriage. But as long as you are able to show, say, then of course, over to me at the and no actually say, Ujai our cry and sana over worry way into now no but no more worry into Ujai our and sana over worry no. And no almost into yes, a bit to me, yes, but you will have to meet all of the other requirements now. Me can't to say financial requirements.
And me holiday minimum. Then the extreme margin say me who no bear 10 years. Last year, as we divorce no, to a take 1 year. If you cannot, me chat na certificate in the buy there. Last year, as we send this connected certificate in there by April this year. A whole lot extreme margin say be the OD can cry and say that I'm a certificate in my na when we be charging normal and extreme margin sana na me see me busel. It's a bit my ejuma and me that's.
Nanti afi uko wai. Ko wai me pa cho invite me na party me didi.
Masi. And then we come will be so far.
Me pa cho Matia no. Brian nani abre. Brian nani abi papa uko wai. Me pa cho me ma wa chie mo akwa.
Hello, Prophet.
Eja.
Martin, anyway.
Oh, Henry Major so. Ya buru. Anopai wadaroma lawyer 8 you.
Yo, Mpocho, I'm say lawyer Casano, Bibisa question me lawyer Eunice Yano. Okay, the bina extra margin can be so or clarify the mammy. I'm say now or something concerning divorce. And all can say Enyanya Obeka or municipal Omega Mount, certificate near the but my person will be some Mrs. Be near Omoye customary marriage. And why divorce, but divorce in by no, it was so dissolution of marriage, but High Court still any stamp a signature near the or no person who say different from what she's saying now.
Into dissolution of marriage, is different from divorce certificate. Into dissolution of marriage, nature say, ebusanfono, eden sana koma into aware negu, into ebusanfono negu aware no. For the purposes of divorce certificate na can no, because under your Family Law Act the court is very specific as to what they are looking for. Into can say wako KME and I say AMA no. Omo ye high courts, omo ye municipal assembly. Omo jiawariye they can give you a certificate to say marriage no adissolved. But for the purposes of the Family Law Act it says specifically say omo person omo je overseas divorce etuma, then it has to be through a court proceedings. Into say who the dissolution of marriage never, it hasn't been through a court proceedings because it wasn't done by a court or an institution which goes through court proceedings. Into to me and say it has met the requirements under Section 46 of the Family Law Act. Into you have to have one that has been done specifically by the courts, and yet dissolution no.
I'm sure we know, and yet a council, a municipal council, a court na but
because we who documents it means to me and can't. I'm just saying because what the separation is.
Republic of Ghana Judicial Service stamping a seasonal, almost dissolution of marriage.
Master Mepacho, who certificate in Waha?
I'm Pachametano, yeah.
Mepacho, Adentina, Umbuku appointment. Now, Fanko Hunu lawyer. Adia, a making mistakes, ebinu no. Now, we were privileged to see the lawyer. Fako consultation here. Ukon wo hwemu ma no okase bia aha asemu o makan say na wasi ye say na wasi ye say because minimum binti na me kan. Ibi o wa ye ready but eba in technical terms of the court principle na. Uba hunu bia baby akra abitie. Enti no mame fa lawyer no mama frɛ book appointment for certificate no ko na fa ko to lawyer nim lawyer adie we my ready menti asie ni enti wo as an expert no edien na wo se meye ana lawyer meboa na lawyer ahwem true obenya answer ma that very day a obeka kire wo onya ma obeka si ja documents ne mame na mindi akire na memra back mini asase ma me kan wate ase yes very very important me pa cho frɛ office number no 0208 493 metumebo yanto ba se metumebo 0208 493 7340 ebia now pese ofre lawyer Eunice direct sene ya meta freno no ba me pa cho mem freno after 9 after 10 that time not or the number. Lawyer Eunice direct number 075 35 81 3910. Lawyer Eunice number 075 35 81 3910. Onyame inshirao na fa documents no ko na wonhwe mu ma why
yo me da say
bye yes sir radio isi ebe ye tube sa ewe wi ase ani enya solution enso ni yeko me ba cho me ma wachi ema wakwa ba me ba cho me ma wachi ema wakwa ba o.
Good afternoon.
Hey, me pa cha uchi good afternoon by this time there. Who free na from na wala katanga na yendi na bimbila.
Hello.
Pa cha good morning odo you.
Good morning.
Mo what free. Pa dia what free pa. Lawyer 8 you.
Sanga me bisa lawyer some kaka.
Bra lawyer 8.
So me say bisa say oh yeah pre-settled ama oba e chinchina chan say o so te Ghana book ama oba e bia na efficacy mfo abusa akwa no ne identity and I said it's not important so we have people application
it is oh yeah pre-settled ama oba na e bia wa wono wenya passport ema no obetumi de ne birth cert aye. You can say or that's your baby sheda and your passport emma no into the birth cert no any over to me you so and no to say oh yes I pre-settled no ama no of course they would go ahead and then issue based on more because almost sure as parents and say as long as the child is under 21 no they are all no and omodebema akolano.
Okay, and see, and your force to say, or such now, Koyagana Kumano, but what is in the best?
Debbie is not a requirement for children at the moment. And see, so almost say, almost sure they will ask for the birth certificate, and then they will go along and then issue. Even biometrics crampono, they even say in Kolamu or under 6 don't do fingerprints, but almost photo. And see, they will just take a photo.
Okay. So, paper application, it's maybe 1 year.
Applications, let's just say, so we will be a 1 year application in Bida into previously 1 year pre-settled, and now over year settled status, Nidia. At least you can say, more details no almost system no so maybe they can go through and process it a lot quicker than before But there's also that reservation because even to me, application, no, even though they have previously done it before, even to me, actually, but with my experience, and if I can't be done or for it comes a lot more quicker than in Corona or 1 year be that cry. I can definitely tell you that it will take longer than you expect. Just give it time and be patient.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what my question mark gonna say. There will be a honor say life in the UK 5 years and now 20 years.
Life in the UK, Patrick say a one I say
Then say me 5 years to grow more and I apply for life in the UK.
So application for indefinite leave to remain.
Many and Krata.
Oh, the
Matisse.
Oh, yeah. Opesi Obija
5 years.
Miniaba.
20 years.
Miniaba. I ukesi no yatiasie mami nso mu hama lawyer. Ye were 20 years. Ena enkolano ye was 7 years. So what a British child for 5 years yes, ubetimi over 5 years yes, ubetimi the application akotum. But wo as penini die 20 years.
Okay.
Yeah, wo penini 20 years. Lawyer okay about the long stay. No?
Okay.
Yeah, okay about the long stay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Matthias.
Now, o documents na opesa odi kotum no. So opesa unya no ntem nso a ye wo priority service. Eno no usika na ebeko soro. Udi sika no em say 850 ana.
800 pounds.
800 pounds. And I'll be to yaka. No. What the application no kotum na. Acha ochina no pa na say 3 days time na won sat your monka. Waso at your monka. Ye de bema wa na ye ama ho. Ye mfa ma won so ani ya kan kire o. Ni ntia ye mfa ma oni ya kan kire o. No de aba ne ya boa o.
Okay. That's true.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Bye. Say dear. Ewiase ayehye banga ayehye no matter na ayehye fuel stations ayehye e kira say lawyer medwene ho amenti ase ba biara ayehye
kada bio
lawyer mame pa we mre o mene meyire ye won kola miensa na meyire akoshia be mafoforo na oshia be mafoforo no wan kan kire me se wo jae me akọ enu ani sa me yere e paaki mene me mai ba no okọ nkola ikro mpese me hu te se me hunu nkola ya je ebia me fa kwan bi so na me kon nkola no school ansa na makohu betimi de me yere akọ court.
Of course, so pesa oni nkola no edin kita ho a definitely over to me at the now court, but some try mediation first into a chrome ha so 1 year mediation. First of all, to me, enya ho kwan court for no ebeje wo application no atum. Until you first have to try mediation. Mediation no, they can talk to you as an individual. Over to me no, we no so akasa. No. So move to me about an agreement be there, then you don't need to go through the court system. But when to me and reach agreements be and I say on also sano. One call mediation and the mediators no so almost signed page say and the patrol court na almost and sort sa child arrangements no amount in say no sano over to me the no attach application na or the court and see and no sano na almost to me I share application na almost ama who date said date way and I actually say Yabasha say a share case way. And say yes, so when they were hearing more Casana, more per se, more cocots in regards to Nkola, more na, also per se, name Colano, Edin Kitahono. Now, I think say, someone to me and Casa and by agreements there, and their courts no will be the next option.
Mati, me find it where we are. Mesa baby sa mediation for no more because me can obi beka so or software stand the crowd and area junior and me patch on yemi. You Enti Mr. Okokan waka ni. Me ba cho me ma wachi e ma wakwaba.
Yeah, Prophet and lawyer mammy you. If I saw before your beer.
Onyame ehire me hwese na lawyer trinwi aye brom na nanum aye kama ya na ho ye papa.
Yeah, that or bad they have to say. Or bad they have to say. No, I'm not sure more questions you need to not for me in the if I saw Bako a application na a court. When I'm here, don't really appeal now or turn a new man. If I saw between apply and a second one, so Bako or the application team, very busy in the other man. So I'm also a lawyer, a lawyer. Now you see interview. And was sending details in the man. Neither Ira, lawyer knows why. The patrol or Barbie Buana.
Or sit marriage certificate na Ira.
The patrol,
lawyer na Ira. Lawyer na on any back court na Ira. And you don't so on any back court no interview no. Omumi enu Ira. Say no.
Wow.
Oma ya ni omo kwako ye interview ni ya prove ni adi we na ma no. Sebi kafra. But a carino co nipa no so.
Okay. It's about trying to appointment. Because sometimes it might be say they may be looking at whether the relationship was genuine first of all. And say I'll say book your appointment. Marriage certificates ne MHS say one in nipa no na mo wo no na wo dia ba na to me ahwe na appointment and answer interview no that bang.
So coming Monday.
Yeah, then you need to come as soon as possible.
And they lawyer.
Yeah.
Where they as soon as possible. And they mama fa no manama. And they
no lawyer number the man
oh lawyer Eunice number 1.
Me patron.
Na me patron o address no.
Me patron minimum office.
And we enye memo ma fro ni nkrobot ntindia no begina fon so abeye wawaso wala bia o mo fa documents ne mbra ni enhwem earlier the better enti ma no nko fa address man no nko straight away
me patron you
me da see
na patron first question no that
first question no say why we need appeal there just say what train ama home office for no e dey in krata number because unto me enye application for NI unless for instance it was certificate of application and now say biometric permits no. Unfortunately, if you don't have certificate of application and now say we need biometric card now, government departments of work and pensions no and to me MA or NI number. Either that you wait.
No, so the certificate of application in bar a refuser and a court and what we need appeal. You think we're trying to card.
And train card no because Department of Work and Pensions no ebe here no for the application.
Oh, okay. Going to me for the certificate of application I apply and wrong.
Because I know said the certificate of application no usually once a decision has been made and it has been refused no is no longer valid.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Going to me for appeal number no
Patcho Debbie.
Yo, man. My mama down for now for the program lawyer.
Patcho you.
Emo ohineba yenso yada wase. Inano na opportunity to me for opinion ka kire me say hey young man procrastination is an enemy to failure. Enti ade bia obeye bia ye ne ntem. En wo kan de to aso say mate say mpenifo bu bebi say prakonam ye we ne hye. Me se me patcho an o se ne ye ne ntem.
Patcho no kire say
lawyer, where did you book appointment now? So I'm going to book appointment. I can't go a minute in here. Me patcha me mawachi emu akwaba ebe jumadizo.
Hello, Prophet. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
And Secretary Poma one lawyer Eunice. Well, yeah. There's some question you mean. The patcho first one. Me application limited leave to remain. under parent route 10-year route. And we quite renew one. It's a make solicitor said one situation on your under 5-year route. But with that man, I call it yes, sure, I call it the review. But a buyer now me ready. It's the same. And now, my friend, woman, I'm catching say, I don't know. I still under 10-year route, Nana. I'm on the mark. Yeah, I don't know my the girl don't say, I know friend, or my friend, girl, not my friend, until my friend will say, oh yeah. And obey me, I come out. But then, yeah, my friend also on the review. It's a thing obey. My cat say, oh yeah, email no cry now. Only see me copy, and I mean, we say, why yes, email no copy. But say, week, over a week in here. And now I'm a friend or say, oh, you mean yeah. It's in fact, now me say, if you are meeting, I have one. And question number 2, but maybe question number 2. Now, I mean, the answer.
The answer we need back. Damn no cross.
Okay, in regards to the switching, I know that sometimes some caseworkers are proactive. So we fill the application, now we meet requirements in relationship, English language, financial, accommodation. We are proactive. To me, as a child, even without you requesting for it on paper. But when we meet all of the requirements now, they will just automatically put you under the 10-year route. If you also are not so proactive into one country almost self-person switcher, they will just put you back on the 10-year route. And also, then you will have to do a pre-action protocol letter. Say, not all requested for 5-year routes and almost 10 years amount documents now with the core HSL will meet the English language requirements, HSL will meet some maintenance requirements. Into maintenance English in addition to the parental responsibility requirements in meet into amfa 2.5 under the 5-year route amount. Instead of say your pre-action protocol at least and quicker than what they have now.
Yeah, because requirements in the maintenance BBA was a medical beer, a colana manele school letter, me company letter, a capo, the salary I'm making BBA a capo, a medical man. 18. We want the current year almost signed the court 10-year route. It's in the part of the question 2, And so let me person with this say, the person me yet Zambrano na. Me all right to meet me ayana.
Na kolane mama ewe hin.
The mama wo krum ha ya.
Oh, the be answer. The mama wo krum ha.
We British.
Okay, so now me explain.
Menene me no nyina na hwe no. Okay. E bia akla no school when timi ankofa na. The kofa no school for ni hia bibia omo friend no bia me committee. Ni ade ma me ni ho a me na me committee. School letters emails almost signed them remi nyina ho.
Okay, so now me explain at the beginning says we your obia ukra 2.5. Na opesa o switch about yes, you have to meet certain requirements. And so you have to show say your main primary carer of Akolana or you're British. And you also have to show say Akolana or you're British no you're under 18 or to chrome her. Say you refuse. So what application now Akolana will be forced to leave the UK because of the fact that you refuse so application. Akolana mama you're British. Akolana mama no. And see in your case, the child will not be forced to leave the UK because ne mame wa ha. And so unfortunately, you will not be able to meet that 4th requirement. And so no, the best bet is to stay on your 2.5 floor.
All right. Thank you. That's all, Madasi.
And that's it.
And so yeah, there was a lawyer. aha na mbrebe ma ye kwan dia sisi say wagura me preaching no 4 minutes enti ye de besi ha ne ya marade kwan na ne a obeye no na waye by 11:30 na osofo mabu meketem enne me nya guest minister na makofa ne tentem ede na ba enti onyame nhira lawyer fa ye bra wiye ne ento aso ha
Pachi yo nyame nhira onso so de wo extra minutes aka ho nyame enkoso a onhira ombo It's ne nkofo a omo ehwe ye and then I can ho asem afa applications and nkofo a omo ye EU for pese eye na omo de omo eye anase omo ku ebe join omo ewo krom ha if say omo ware after the 31st of December 2020 say there be a say ya kano eye immigration ho nsem nko a na ye ho adwuma nti prophets ebisa questions efa opia onno nikunu aya aware a omwomba na mba no so ontumi enhu omo and also ye hu adwuma child arrangement orders, applications for child arrangement orders, applications for non-molestation order, applications for occupation orders, and in Kekaho. In regards to civil litigation, so ye hu adwuma into say mo say mo frey na monya a home boy mo betumi afrey your main office line 0208 493 7340. So open appointments either face to face and now remotely or move to me a bouquet amount. The offices no be from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. every Monday to Friday. So open so by your offices as well. You were 7 Sisters. You were underground station in Nimpe, a 4th floor of Anna House. 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London. Postcode near N154NP. Into N154NP. So person offer menso out of office hours 075 35 81 3910. Yame enkoso a Ocean Prophets echia asore fonina. Prophet yenti unka what be to ho.
Oh yeah, that was it, my lawyer. When we technician wadwuma yofo nyina Uncle Ben lawyers ni me kase me bobo mu di anhwa nde om de mbeko court.
Ai.
Mechia ubia. Nyame ya aduma da sende ye besa hiem.
Pache yo.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services, including family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary and family law. At BWF, our solicitors are pleased to offer high-quality legal representation at competitive rates. Our senior partner, Bernardo Wusu, has over 29 years' experience as a lawyer in the UK. BWF Solicitors provide independent and practical legal assistance for all kinds of family matters, such as childcare, contested and uncontested divorce, and injunctions for domestic violence. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you in this difficult time, which is why we offer confidential advice delivered in a sensitive manner. Our senior partner is an accredited member of the Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel, which guarantees expert representation in all family and matrimonial cases. We are located at 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road, London, N15 4NP. Just a short walk from Seven Sisters Underground.